Like the one they revived last Sunday about what they call the bonus culture. They know, and they started that is completely untrue and unfair. What operates in Irish Water, and even though I didn't have ministerial responsibility for Irish Water, I happen to know about the pay system because I negotiated it with the parent company, or was involved when it was negotiated and approved it in Bord Gáis Éireann. And in other words, we made a saving, by the way, in 2012 of 34 million to 2016 in the payroll of Bord Gáis, when we terminated all allowances and plus payments, when we closed the defined benefit pension scheme, opened a defined contribution scheme, installed new performance-related pay methodology. And what that means is that if you're employed by...
But some people think that's a bonus.
Well, some people are wrong, okay. And let me explain to you why.
All right.
If you're employed as an engineer in Irish Water, where the rate for the job on the marketplace, as defined by the parameters that are well established in the HR business, and the rate is 70,000, you don't get 70,000. If the bonus rate attached to that, to use the RTE word, is 10%, you get 63,000, and the remainder is based on your performance. Okay. And in my personal view, I would apply that across the entire commercial state sector if I were in charge of the pay determination system, because it's an incentive to output and production, and it is grossly unfair to the workers in Irish Water that RTE should come back now and try and revive the campaign that they started by saying there's now an issue about, quote, unquote, the bonus culture. Yeah. It is a performance-related pay system. And if the rate for the job is 50,000, and if the performance-related metric is 10%, you get 45,000. And if you perform in the given year in question, you get 5,000, or, depending on how you perform, less than 5,000. So that misrepresents it, and it's grossly unfair.
So you're still pretty annoyed at RTE then?
Well, I think if RTE thinks it's such a good system, maybe they should apply it on RTE.
Yeah.